class we have done till now. Now first person, in first person don't use anything in the verb. No need to use s or es, just put the verb as it is. Okay. Now second person says, अब second person कौन हो गया? You. तो you कहता है जब first person ने लिया उसके पास सब कुछ है तो मेरे पास भी सब कुछ है. ठीक है, तो हमें फर्स्ट सेकंड पर्सन में भी प्ले ही रखना है. नो नीड टू यूज एस और ईएस. ठीक है. अब थर्ड पर्सन में जहां पे आपका नाउन या प्रोनाउन वन है, हाउ मेनी नाउन या प्रोनाउन व्हेन वन इज देयर. ओके, देन यू हैव टू ऐड आइदर एस और ईएस. ठीक है, जैसे हम नाउन को सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में कैसे चेंज करते हैं. जैसे बॉय है तो आप बॉयज करते हो, एस ऐड कर देते हो ना. दैट मीन्स आपने सिंगुलर से प्लूरल कर दिया. तो इसके पास एस नहीं है. जब एस नहीं है तो हम एस लगा देते हैं, एस और ईएस लगा देते हैं. ओके, एंड व्हेन मोर देन वन इज देयर, दे इट इज ऑलरेडी हैविंग एस, सो नो नीड टू ऐड, जस्ट राइट एज इट इज प्लेन. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Once again I am telling, see, in this say present tense verb we have to add either s or es. Okay, now you have to keep in mind if first person is there, that means I or we is there, right, as it is. No need to add anything in the verb. Second person, again no need to add anything in the verb. Third person, he, she, it, that means noun is one or any name is given, like for example Amit. Now one name is there. Okay, that means one person, so you will add s or es. Okay, they, more than one is there or two names are there, like for example Amit and Anu. Now two are there, that means more than one, so no need to add s or es, just write plain. Okay, one more example I am giving. See, all of you are watching a movie, है ना, सभी मूवी देखते हैं. एक मूवी में हीरो भी है आपका, ठीक है, और विलन भी है. ठीक है, अब हीरो क्या हो गया हमारा? नाउन, जिसका नेम हाँ सब जानते हैं. ठीक है, चलो हीरो है नाउन. नेक्स्ट सबसे ज्यादा एक्शन कौन करता है? विलन. तो ये हो गया आपका वर्ब. ठीक है, अब हमने हीरो एंड विलन बोथ वी हैव टू कीप देम इन अ कंबाइन. ओके, दे शुड लिव पीसफुली, बिल्कुल शांति से दोनों को रहना है. ओके, दे विल लिव टुगेदर. कैन अ हीरो कैन लिव विथ विलन? आर दे बोथ कैन लिव ईच अदर? नो, बट इन वन वे दे कैन लिव. हाउ दे कैन लिव? सी, suppose hero, now if it is one, okay, make villain more than one. Okay, that means for example see Dora. Okay, or you can take your favorite hero name. Let me take okay, any suppose you take, let's take John. Okay, now one hero is there. Okay, increase your villain. Okay, because hero knows when more than one villain is there, he will keep quiet, they will not fight with each other. Okay, like suppose go is there, then what will come here? Goes. Clear? Now if hero more than one is there, okay, let us suppose John and Sean. Now more than one is there, so decrease your villain, keep as one. Go. They both will live together. Okay, because villain knows if anything he will do. Now here hero more than one is there, so he will keep quiet. Okay, again I am repeating, when noun is one, in the verb s or es will come. Noun is more than one, nothing, just keep as it is. Okay, now let's do the exercise, everyone. So in this what you have learnt, now see in simple present tense what it is, that is your daily habit, okay, and or your universal truth, okay, that will not change. Okay, their simple present tense is there. Okay, now let us do the exercise. Suppose all have to write beta this. Suppose your this is there. All have to write it, okay? Now tell me what I have written. Amit speak Spanish very well. Now how many Amit is there? One. So when I told you when noun is one, then verb will be more than one. That means s or es you will add. Okay. When noun is more than one, keep as it is. No need to add. Now here Amit one is there. Okay. So what will come here? Speaks. So write here speaks. Okay. Now see your second. Classes usually now classes usually starts at 9 a.m. See, classes more than one is there. Okay. When noun is more than one, then the verb will be singular. Verb क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Singular. That means start will come. Starts will not come because it is already having s. S इसमें already इसके पास में है तो हमने s नहीं ऐड करना. Okay. Now next, your third point is Dorothy now see here Dorothy. How many Dorothy is there? One. So what will come? Works will come or work will come? Noun is one. So verb will be more than one. That means works. Okay. Now see your next. Now see here. These. More than one is there. Already s is there. So no need for s. So what will come here? Make. Noun is more than one. Verb will be singular. Okay. Now see your next beta. Now see here. We sees Ranjan very often. Now I told you when first person is there, no need to add anything in the verb. Just keep as it is. So what will come here? See. Okay, no need to add s or es when first person is there. Okay, for first and second, nothing to do anything. Okay. Now see your next. Now see, the moon goes around the earth. How many moon is there? One. So when one is there, what we will add? S or ES. So what will come here? Goes. Okay? Beta, just keep the rules in the mind and you will able to do. Now write the next point. Now Leela and Sheila. Okay. Now see here 2. More than one is there. So what will come there? R. Is we are using when one is there. Okay. So what will come here? R. Now next. Now next is here. Shanu and Rajiv plays in the morning. See, Shanu and Rajiv. 2 persons are there. More than one is there. So what will come here? Play. What will come here? Play. Because noun is more than one. So verb will be singular. Okay? Clear? Now is the exercise clear to you? I am holding for a minute. Do it fast. Done everyone? Now I am giving one exercise as a homework. All have to do that.
Hey, बिठा दलिया खाओगी?
You have to keep the rules in your mind and just do it. Okay? Okay? Now, see your B exercise. This all have to do yourself.
मैं तो बनाऊंगी। मैं कम करूँ। देखो बेटा दलिया खाओगे?
Now, see.
खाऊंगी थोड़ा सा एक मुश्किल
Now Naveen starts his day. Now how many Naveen is there? 1. So keep the rule in the mind. What will come? Okay. If noun is one, then what you will do about now? He dash play or plays football. Now, he, how many, that means one boy. Okay? So see what will come, play or plays, what will come. Okay? Now see, only 5 sentences I will give, okay? Or Julie, how many Julie? That means 1. So what will come? Enjoys will come or enjoy? You have to keep yourself, okay? Just keep the rules in the mind and you will able to do. Now, they always, more than one is there. So, what you will do about the verb? Just keep the rule. Verb will be singular. Okay? Now this is your last. I get or gets early in the morning. First person. So what you will do of the verb? Just keep the rules in the mind and do this exercise. I am holding for a minute. Finish it fast.